Hi, welcome to Coast Machinery. My name is Cyril, and today we'll be shipping out 2 machines going to Alberta. So first, we'll be shipping out an Altendorf F45 sliding saw, a programmable saw, to Bow Island. And next, we'll be shipping a BSE Acron 425 edge bander going to Calgary. We ship to Alberta on a weekly basis, so we get really good competitive rates. So if you are in the Alberta area and looking for machines, please don't hesitate to call us. We have excellent shipping rates, and we do shipping right. So let me show you the shipping process and how we get it right to ship machines to you. So for example here, we have an Altendorf F45, and we like to, number one, spray machine parts or metal parts that are exposed before shipping with this wax sealant. So this helps to seal metal, make sure that nothing gets oxidized, or as other people will call it, rust. And we then proceed to tarp it with some plastic film, and then wrap it around some plastic saran wrap, I guess, to ensure that when the trucker tarps, which are often wet, this doesn't get the machine wet or dirty. Another example of how we get things right here at Coast Machinery, for example, this sliding saw, this programmable sliding saw, has a PLC controller that is on the machine. This has an arm that will move around. So during shipping, there's a lot of vibrations. So we ensure that we brace it and that the controller does not break or get loose or damaged within transit. So so basically we answered two solutions or provided two solutions for a client. A client was doing lots of paneling and a lot of to length wood, and they needed a jig. So what we provided as a solution was a programmable saw. This permits the client to preset certain lengths for either lumber or panels of wood, and they can proceed to cut a series of panels at a certain length and then switch quite easily and quite quickly without finessing a jig. So also we had a BSE Acron here, an edge bander. The client was looking for a nice finish. They were looking for double scrapers and as well as a clean glue pot. So we provided them with a BSE Acron 425. They were looking for an affordable option to start their business. So we thought that the BSE 425 Acron would be a great fit for that client. To learn more about us, you can visit us at coastmachinery.com or call us at 604-556-2225.